Sprinkle baking soda on burnt pots. Stop wasting money. Just sprinkle salt on the burnt pot. This trick is brilliant. I'll show you what a spectacular application it can have. Watch the video until the end. I'll show you in a few simple steps. Get a small container. Pour a tablespoon of salt into it. It's just ordinary table salt, the one you happen to use. Add 3 large tablespoons of dishwashing liquid to it. It doesn't matter which liquid you use. Any will do. Pour 1 tablespoon of white vinegar into it. Now mix all the ingredients until the salt dissolves. It will take a moment. The mixture is finally ready. I'll show you how to use it. You'll see it on this pot. Its bottom is dirty and burnt from milk. Dip the kitchen sponge into the mixture. Start scrubbing the bottom of the pot. That amount of mixture is enough to scrub such a dirty pot. You can try this trick in your home. You surely have the products you need for it. See how simple it is? The effects are instantaneous, even though the pot was very burnt. The mixture handled it. It's a simple and inexpensive method. Your sandwich maker will be clean in seconds, without the tedious scrubbing of burnt residue. If you're wondering how to clean your sandwich maker quickly and effectively, this method is for you. Any sandwich lover uses their sandwich maker frequently, but cleaning it isn't as enjoyable. If the sandwich maker is used often, it becomes increasingly difficult to clean. Some people even stop using it because they don't know how to clean it properly. But the solution is very simple. Next time your sandwich maker gets dirty, use the paper towel trick. Every sandwich maker manual should mention this cleaning method. And it's not just about wiping the surface with a paper towel. You need to use it in a rather unusual way. Tear off a few pieces of paper towel. Prepare a bowl of water. Dip the paper towel pieces into the water. Squeeze out the excess water. Now spread these pieces of paper towel on the sandwich maker. They can overlap. Close the sandwich maker and turn it on for a few minutes. The high temperature and steam from the water will loosen the burnt residue. The paper towels will absorb all the dirt. Use kitchen tongs to remove them. Gently wipe the surface of the sandwich maker with the damp paper towels, and you're done.